Hey, and welcome to Jeep Sheep TV. Today in this short episode, we're going to try and fix a vacuum leak with some heat shrink. Boy, I love me some heat shrink.
Alright. This rubber seal. Don't forget this. You need these. Them in a star pattern.
Down here, I have a fitting that pulls in vacuum from this manifold. And that goes up out of frame. Here is my valve cover. And this hose went onto the fitting, which I'll show you in just a moment. And then it went to a hose that looks like this. It's routed around up to that valve cover. Whilst rummaging inside my engine bay, I stressed this to the point of failure. So we're going to try and mend this guy with heat shrink. I tried with duct tape, create a leak path. I could go to the store and get a new hose, but that's way less fun. So I've never done this before. We'll see if it works. This is the fitting we're talking about right here. You can see it's really close to my steering shaft, so much so that it's been rubbing right there. It sticks out quite a ways. So we're going to try and minimize the size of this as much as we can, but we are really stuck in a tight spot. What I'm finding out is that this hose actually fits inside the diameter of this fitting. So this could be a lot easier than we previously thought. I might actually just go and heat shrink over top of these two. All right, I got a couple pieces of heat shrink loaded on there. We're gonna slide them down one by one, heat them up, and we're gonna just see how it goes. Second layer over top first.
Now with you, I wonder, how does that make sense? I know you gotta line up your sleeve and now.
Smaller heat shrink.
Don't want a clue.
This should help guarantee a tighter seal.
Words they hurt, tearing right through me. Why do I need you to save me? Oh, I gotta work on me. It's your affection or your deep disconnection. I gotta work on me.
Alright, pull you in real close so we can take a look. Okay, well that's a lot of heat shrink, but it appears that we have a pretty good seal. So I guess we will find out in just a moment here when we start the Jeep. Garage door is open for safety. Looking pretty good. Sounds a heck of a lot better. Hey, well, this has been a quick fix on Jeep Sheep TV, and I hope you enjoyed some of my methods. Maybe it'll work for you, maybe not. I don't really know. But it was a fun experiment, and I think it was a success. So if you want to see more stuff like this, or even some more in-depth, longer videos, hit the subscribe down below. If you want to be notified, hit that little bell. I've got some big stuff coming up, so that little bell is a good idea. In the meantime, I'll see you on the trail.